Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to Encik Ahmad Firdaus bin Muhammad Anafiah. Today I would like to present about our topic, but before that I would like to introduce our members. My name is Nur Zorifah binti Izhar, also Nur Hidayatul Hashimah binti Muhammad Sa'ad, Ahmad Fatih bin Luqman, Ummu Aiman bin Muhammad Lufi, Azian Wahidah binti Abdul Latif, and Farhanis binti Rosli. Okay, then we go to our topics. Our topics is the issue needed in Muslim-friendly hospitality and tourism industry. That's a cover for hotel. Okay, for the first issue, we take from Sinar Harian. Tarik lesen hotel Inka. Okey, pihak berkuasa tempatan disarankan untuk menarik balik lesen pengusaha hotel yang tidak membenarkan wanita terutama pekerja wanita terutamanya untuk bertudung uh, kerana melanggar undang-undang. Maka hotel tersebut telah ditarik balik lesen mereka. Next. Okay, this is our second issue. Amaran keras terhadap restoran dan hotel yang tiada sedia halal. JAIB, Jabatan Islam Negeri Perak memberi amaran keras terhadap sebuah hotel dan restoran kerana mempamerkan perkataan halal tanpa memiliki sedia halal. Oleh itu, hotel tersebut telah ditarik balik dan telah diberi amaran keras oleh pihak JAIB. Next, majoriti hotel tidak ada logo halal JAKIM. Hotel-hotel yang disenaraikan tidak memiliki logo halal JAKIM. Oleh itu, setengah daripada itu telah ditarik balik CJ mereka. Next, wifi percuma di masjid. Okey, untuk pelancong yang datang ke Malaysia terutamanya telah diberi wifi percuma di masjid untuk mengimarkan masjid serta menarik golongan-golongan ini untuk melihat kesenian dan kecantikan masjid di negara ini. Okay, next we go to others members.
Okay, this is about Muslim friendly. Muslim friendly is a form of a tourism target to Muslim community who wish to indulge the service, facilities and activities compliant with Islamic principle. Sharia compliance hotels are guided by the Islamic law, the precept of which are found upon the Quran, the Sunnah and the practice and saying of the Prophet Muhammad. Okay, this is element of Muslim traveler. Okay, first, Muslim-friendly service and facilities available at the destination. Second, suitability as a holiday destination, family friendliness and facilities available at the destination. And the third one, halal awareness and reach out to Muslim by the destination. Okay, this is the characteristic of Sharia compliance hotel. First, halal food, Quran and prayer mat available in each room and no alcohol. Bed and toilet position so as not to face the direction of Makkah. Prayer room, appropriate entertainment, predominantly Muslim staff, and separate recreational facility for men and women. Bidets in bathroom.
Okay, for the dimensions of Islamic tourism. First, Islamic hospitality. Islamic courtesy hosts should consider spiritual, emotional, intellectual and physical. And for halal and thayyiban, halal food from farm to table, certification and approval. For the destination, unique of community culture, Islamic heritage, and the last one, lodging, value-added attributes and Sharia compliance. And activity, consider permissible as long as conform to Sharia, part of worship. Challenges to be Sharia compliance hotel. The lack of standard specifications and requirements that distinguishes this hotel type, and the needs for capacity management as one of the main features of Islamic hotels is gender segregation, and thus they must separate facilities for men and women. For the importance of Sharia compliant hotel to cater the Islamic market, Malaysia has the potential in development of Islamic tourism and hospitality industry, and population of Muslim in the world grow quickly. Hospitality and tourism sectors as a major source revenue and catalyst to the Malaysian economy. Thank you.
That's all from us. Thank you. Bye bye.